everybody, welcome to MatherPE. If you're looking for a good little warm-up game when the kids come into the gym, you can have small numbers, big numbers. It requires minimal equipment. You could even do this at home. All you need is a tennis ball. Let's go. So in the gym, I'd use two lines that intersect and act like a crosshair. If I'm on a driveway, I'm just gonna take a piece of chalk and draw an X. That's our starting point. So I've got Bobby and Hazel here, and these crosshairs that are on the ground, they act like a target area, so it keeps your students separate from each other in their own practicing space. In level 1, the pattern is dribble, dribble, stomp, stomp, catch. And then you repeat the process. Dribble, dribble, stomp, stomp, catch. And this is pretty tricky for people at the beginner level, but once they get the hang of it and they do the 4, then they're ready to move on to level 2.
In level 2, you just repeat the pattern continuously. Every time you complete a cycle, it's worth 1 point, and you just try to get a high score, compete against yourself. You'll find the kids will get better and better at this. It's a learned skill, just takes practice and repetition. Good luck.